Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And I just want to do an outfit of the day because I have this little bit old outfit, but I feel that it is so comfortable. It needs to be uplifted by a dedicated outfit of the day. So I have I have green, a lot of green, some green on the pants, but I feel that I miss some blue in it. I will go back home to do a silver, green, and blue earring. Let's see the outfit. Okay, let's see this outfit. This is a small city park. Very, very close to a fire station. I think the firefighters are doing some training. I have seen one firefighter is doing the stretching, and the other are playing some badminton or something. Let's see. So this is the blue and green and white. So I have here green and a little bit silver to go with the white, because this pants is a little bit silky, satin kind. But I need some blue, right? And it's so comfortable. The top is relatively small. The top is relatively small, and the bottom is relatively large. So it's very easy to move around. I will stand here so you can see myself under the light. Are you seeing better? This way will be better. I think this way. Okay, let's try it again. So this is the outfit, and it's very comfortable. A little bit too loose on the side. And the top is super duper comfortable. It's ribbed. Yeah, it's kind of knitted, just perfect. Now you need to see the scenery here. So here is the scenery, and this is a small city park close by a fire station, a fire brigade, and there are people doing training there and playing badminton there, and a teeny tiny small city park, shaded and comfortable, good for reading, good for just sitting there contemplating. Yeah. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu. Bye bye.